Is that better? Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get my chair, but is that better though? The office chair. Who are they sitting? Whoa, you know what I say? Me doing bad looking. Me no. No, sir. So here what me I say. My mother said to come out here and be myself with you and just open up to her and tell her that what me really that part. Boy. It deep. I don't know. Me can't ever be myself. I don't know. Can I really be who I am? Eh? Me don't know. I can. Herrings and all. Morning, what are they saying? When me really go on, I change my life. Man, I do it now. I want no more gay life. I not do this. You never hear me? Swear to God. Yes, good. You see me look at here, I come in back on something, girl. Now where you see my edges, them so running back like ball. I see the ball, she say I have scooter, I sell a far now, but big up yourself, I like your style. I not do this. No, so I don't want to pants on my bottom, mom. You know? I see you look on your beard. You see on your beard and put on perfume and roll on. I saw you stay. Yeah, I am not a lesbian anymore. I'm sorry. Hey, Carl, what's up? Reek, what's good?
It's too late.
I am not a lesbian anymore, people. Sorry. Sorry, I'm very, very sorry, but I am no longer gay. I am no longer gay. I am going to turn a nun. I am going to be a nonisha. Nigga, you so fucked up. When me a ling, my happiness. No, they not tell them come pretty. Dark it truth. Me look at here I come in. Edges them soon run up. Yeah. You don't like that? I not do this. Yeah? Me don't know, you know. I just saw me cute long time. You understand me? I not ask Christ and this is no effort. All me do a beard and comb my head. That's all me do a beard and comb my head and me look so. No effort, me not none at all, me never take for looks so. I didn't take one breath out of my body for looks a while ago. I'm not ask. I'm not ask Christ. You understand what I deal with? Yeah. Yeah, there's something there right now. Me see the lesbian life never did a work out and me have to put it down. Yeah, I want a little. No? Yeah, I want a little change. Me not run down nothing, you know. Me just a say, sometime coffee, sometime tea. You know them look over there? You know? No, sir. Diamond, not true. Want your vagina. Nigga, if you crack one more fucking laugh over there, dog. Ling with the ping, me not do this. Me a lady, I saw me right through. Right through. Watch it, me say no effort. This I never take one. Me say me never break a sweat for look so. Me say me just go bed. I'm cool made, I swear. Natural girl just look so. Yeah, good me have edges in a good day. I go do my nails them tomorrow. I not look at none of blood clots on her. I not look at none of her. I not do this. Remember, see me sell my vibrator them, my lipstick vibrator them. Mommy, could you bring me one of them? Go on, Mommy, bring the bag. What I put in your lunch kit? Please. Because somebody have to buy one of them vibrators from me today. I'm going to fight. I'm going to carry on with myself. I go carry on with myself if I don't buy one of them vibrators. It a cause all kind of loveliness in a people's life, and I want to know if you come get it. I want to know if you come get them nice, clean soap me, and I tell you the good things them. The good things for your good clit, for your good come and eat. Yeah, good day. I don't ask Christ, I want to fight, but I afraid my lose. I don't do this. Yeah, I have the lipstick them good. I not tell a lie. You say at night time, me and my lipstick. I not for run back and no boy. Jesus, look.
Tamika, what you like?
Hi, cuz. How you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna mail you one of these. Girl, I'm gonna ask Christ. The time on, watch it. Good, it look just like Mac. Good. It look just like what Mac lipstick. So good day. You see the enjoyment it there, right? Yes. I'm not do this. Good, I'm not tell a lie. This time make you feel like I want to fly to Maryland. Good, it just bring you up in the sky. Good, and you just a go up and you just a go up. Good. I'm going to see this go up and you can't come down here, just go up and you just come down here, just go up. I'm not do this. Good, what you good? Boy, I'm not like. It's sweet what I said. Oh, bitch. No, bitch. I know. Hey, bitch. Ooh, look. No, I just put it on my cat. Yeah, I put it on my cat, but it's not really on my cat. I'm just saying. But she feels good. You guys play too much, but you need to buy me one. Like, seriously. Yes, if you don't want it for yourself, buy me them. Wanna buy them, give me. Wanna buy them and say keep them. That's if you don't come. Let me tell you this. I can't tired for use it. I just strip myself naked and carry on with myself. And when I carry on with myself, I load and I just carry on and I just like, yeah, just go out. I saw the eye she cast. I not do this. One thing. Yes, girl. I wouldn't lie to you. No. Do I ever? No, sir. I not do this. You see? Stressful. Wanna buy them now? Wanna not tired for take paper, man? Wanna not tired for man disappoint, you know? No disappointment care there somebody $1 for batch them in $1 store. I not ask Christ. You understand me? One of them batch they keep you all long and it just dead and it not give you no bun, nobody not call your phone, nobody not text your phone. Nobody not drive up at your workplace. Good, nobody not call your mother phone and not tell your mother to tell you if you left them man alone. Good, this is the product of the century. Good, let me tell you so good everywhere you can carry it go. Eh? I'm not tell no lie. I'm not tell no lie. I'm not tell no lie. I want to come buy them. All of them, yeah. Yeah. I'm not do this to them too old. Buy them and enjoy on a pussy. Everybody must enjoy them clit. Stimulate them. Good, I'm not ask Christ in my blood clot here. She come in good, you know. She come in very good. Big up the girl with them head up picky like drunk crow. I not ask Christ. I want to big up to the girl who knows them all clean and they can buy a vibrator because it's not going to stain up. I not ask. Big up clean old girl. Girl I hear all clean and me say yes and everybody say yes. Good, I not ask her. Girl, if your man give you a bun, buy a lipstick. If your man not give you none, buy a lipstick. Just buy a lipstick. Go to buy a lipstick. Me I tell you, say, everywhere you can bring the lipstick. Parent teacher meeting. Go to you can meet going to church. Prayer meeting. Girl, I want to at the airport. Go there. Pussy jump anytime I do, and a girl. No, we not have a pussy schedule. So the pussy go jump 3 o'clock. We don't know when the pussy go jump. So you go to one time it jump in and have something for satisfied, for soothe it, for make it feel good. Go to buy a lipstick. Go to and ask Christ if you want shit out. Go to me say, someone who love fuck so much. Girl, someone who does love fuck, and who just buy them off, girl. Just buy them off, because someone who does love fuck, so. When you just love fuck, so the fuck just a done. When you just a fuck like dog. See lipstick them, you know. Keep on a pussy and down your nose. Buy a lipstick and wet up on a crotch. $20. $20 your crotch is wet up for you. I not do this to them, because I tell you for you the whole I not walk around the talk about, so I not deal with this and I deal with that. And I need to come deal with one of them here and stop share, man. And not come like blood. When I share all that. I want to do no girl, buy on your own things, them girls, soothe your own pussy, make your own pussy love you. Aggressive up the pussy, nice up the pussy, make the pussy feel good. When I ask Christ do this, buy the lipstick, want to fight him, want to buy it, your neck look nice here. Buy one of them, I want to pluck up me and them and look for you real dreadful. The whole I want to come tell me about I love this, I love people, man. I want to come love a lipstick on a clip, girl, make on a flick, girl. I ask. You always say you can't get a man for me to get the right. Come see it, girl, it never stop works until you drop a ground, girl. Me I tell you. This works until you drop a gum. Eh? What kind of lipstick? It look like you never there for the demonstration. I want me to do with the other one. And I'm going to put it. It's underneath it. Hey, I mean, I want nobody talk about my scandal because you do better than my scandal bag when we fight, you know. Right here, because I notice when the love get fresh up, you know. Yeah, this is the lipstick. This here will make you not forgive a man no bun, girl. Because someone who just love fuck like chuck, you know. You understand what we are dealing with when no man gonna work, when no man gonna drive the truck them across the country, them for go to the whole heap of money. I wanna fuck with the neighbor, stop fuck with the neighbor and buy a lipstick though. They're not tired for fuck like dog now. Everybody know about the pussy, make the lipstick know about the pussy though. You can sue the pussy today, one lipstick, $20. I not ask. Huh? Yes, it's an infomercial. I not ask. I said this. Look at me. More fight and bite you. Yeah. Well, I don't walk and I give a pussy like dog and I fuck all about. When your pussy smell like every kind of STD or they can just walk and fuck everybody by a lipstick now. You know, sorry for your whole. Sorry for your whole today, no goodie. Goodie, I beg you, sorry for your crutches. Please, me I beg you. Me no need your money, you know. I your pussy, me I try to save. You understand me? Because somehow the pussy come like the ozone layer right now. I know say it bust because the sun too. At phone the ozone layer bust. When the ozone layer bust, you buy one of this phone. Someone the pussy just hot like the sun. When you buy this for the pan on the look front, in the front hot. Someone just want to fuck right through the day. Buy one of this and enjoy yourself. Somehow the man just don't fuck out in the world for 1 hour and still want to go get one of this girl. I not do this to them this year. This year name go and go look some work and progress in a life and buy one lipstick and make your pussy come at night. It dark. I go turn on the light, my love, because I know I'm not own FP and them. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this, that's Whoop. Come say like I'm an advertiser go on, I don't know how long more I can add. Why? I don't know. I do not know. Good evening, I ask Chris talk short. You see me now? Oh no, girl. I don't need the lipstick now because the whole on have to go buy it, you know. Me I tell you that shit. Me not ask them, me I tell them. When you come in on my inbox, man, when you come cash at me on the 20 of them, I ship on the thing them too. Because I now do this with you, because I'm alone. This. Them the right here, so now. Right here, so. Right there, so. Alright, I wonder how much woman there right here, so come on, bust some blood clot liberty, you know. Alright. You see that? I order just come in for more lipstick. When I ask Christ, you know, on a better. Alright. Watch me now. Watch. Yeah. Explain which lipstick. Them in just explain the lipstick and how it for go. And so on. Alright now, that's for the girl that want to take people man now. I'm tell you something now, girl. You see the take people man thing, it a go far, you know, girl. Everybody a take people man now, you know. I mean, I have a problem with it still, you know. You understand me? Because everybody have for them own a little also what them have to do. But make me tell you this, you know, girl. Big up the lipstick, because I'm done with she right now. I'm telling you this right now. You see, if my man ever give me bun with a rat bat, with any kind of insect or any kind of forbidden area 51 looking thing, me a poison the two of them. I have to poison the two of them because I not do this. You not go shame me. I not go take that shame there. I not go confront the girl neither because I'm too shame for confront you. First of all, let me tell you this. I not say a man not go record the man them a dog, you know. But the man them will sit down right here, so I know see a good girl and I'm love and go over there, so I tell you in a dog. I tell you it's a area 51 and I tell you it's a alien versus predator and I tell you it's the ant story. Him go over this so too, you know, girl. I tell you that, you know. And you know as a big good as not get up in a year, say take up yourself in a year and know and go over there. I poison the two of them. I not take the shame and embarrassment there. I not confront nobody, I not load it up because I'm too shame. You understand me? I did. Hey, imagine you a girl will look well firm and nice. Ever look good and you know me I deal with when you see where your motherfucker because you have a wonder if your man eat you or something. Yes, good, me not tell no lies, me a poison it to one because me do not want him back, but me not take the shame. So no affi dead. When me done bake you a cake, you see boo, I will bake you a cake. When me done bake you one cake, girl, it name Keep My Man Cake. And when me drop off the cake, the moment you pronounce the first slice, you drop a ground, boof like breadfruit off a tree. Me I tell you, girl, because you're too blood clot ugly for me all sitting against a cuss with. I'm not lick you with me and them coming on and broke up. You understand me? I do say you see before I go through all of them, so I make sure I buy myself a lipstick. You see them over the sun, I vibrate and I climb up and I go up on themselves. You understand me? I do one battery, not that good as. One battery, not that good as. I mean, I tell you, say all of this done. I say, hey. When me done bake your cake, it's good, eh? Who you talk to? You can't ugly so come and tell me. Listen. Nothing about me, you know. That when an ugly blood clot girl I go come in your face and come tell you about, oh, your man want me, your man need me. I want spit pan ya, my man. I want shit pan ya, my man. I want fight ya, my man. I want beat him with one blood cleat, I kill him. I want to do about, eh? Keep it down. Keep it fucking down, bitch. I have neighbors, bitch. Don't say no type of shit like that. You feel me? Oh! Me and you, if you share the same body and you want to talk loud, don't talk loud. Come here, you see all you know, man? All the girl them stand on the corner about to not ball and the man go on a bun with the ugly girl them on a ball. On a ball for an idiot.
Smoking is not good for you.
What a ball for? Man clown, where you ball for? Your man give you bun, where you ball for? Where you ball for? It hurt? Rat poison up the boy go there. Two of them the boy the wild and steal out. Then I know which one and girl them poison them go there and have to hold the poison there. Girl, go watch some unsolved mystery and them something and snap, no? Don't fuck on him for what? Girl, fuck on him too easy and nasty, just like him, me say. We don't get rid of the boy already, we are get rid of him and the blood clean pestilent. You understand what we are doing? Oh, I'm telling you, one rat black in the boy food, man. One tear rat black, how are they, my friend, man? Eh? I want to fight you. Truly. One poison under your blouse and skirt right now. You want to lick up your head or something? You under the... Hey, listen. Let me telling you this, you know. Let me telling you something, you know. Let me telling you this, you know. Every girl me hear I walk around about who can take over, man. Let me telling you something, girl. You see, if your blood clot ugly, you take my man good, me I kill it too, you know.
Hey, yo.
On God. On God, me I kill it too, you know, my love. Me I tell him, me not lie down back on our phone, no. Because me not own none of them poison and no leads now come back to me with them the poison. They are no poison, no one another. To me, I saw it go on a poison, no one another, no ugly, no blood clot. Eh? I mean, you want to go call me, yo. Sure, me and tell you, girl, but tell you, the boy I give a body like that, that you want to see the girl, baby, now the girl in your chalet, but you know what, chalet, I tell woman, the chalet, if you want something, you want space move it. No, girl, me not call nobody and burn down Chanel. Me I go poison Chanel. I want the Chanel. You alright, Chanel? Me not do this today. I must sick in your bombarders mind goodie. Me not sit down and cry over what man fuck for me with that ugly girl. Go. Good as? Cock quick? What go on? Webster. Let me tell you something. You see one time you see the man fuck for the stop ball. You know idiot? When a ball from door fuck back for the boy, replace it. It's easy. You replace it. Only thing that you replace it. Hey, after you poison that, you replace that. Huh? We don't know what snap. We don't know what criminal minds and them something over kill them and get away with it. You poison them. You know what I mean? That's poison him. I mean, come on. What is some poison? Me want to walk around and I tell people, say, yeah, my man cheat probably with a ugly blood clot girl if he ever shows bottom. You sick in the head, girl? Me not want that. Me a poison you. And him. Tone is an embarrassment to me. Me not do this. You sick? Me smell like roses and violets in the gardens. And you smell like a strip club and a drinking joint. You feel me? Always there. Hey. I always rat back them. You know? I always rat back them. Me not do this. My man come home and I say, baby, I love the way you smell. You smell so good. No, on God, I do smell good right now though, but I'm trying to front, but I'm just saying. I do smell fucking gorgeous. When you come home and say it smells so good, but the girl where you would just don't give her backers and it suck, you would smell like an ashtray, like a cigarette tray. Well, alcohol and cigarette tray. You smell like one Mataran or one Guinness. You understand what that the girl smell like and that you cheat for me with. You know the ambition. I don't mean you look bad still in you know the ambition. But me just shame so me fuck a non-ambitious drunker like you. On God. Me not do this, you're ugly. From me sister you're ugly and you my man I give me one with me I poison you. Me I tell you the truth. Me I poison you. Me not do it. Me I poison you sweet. Truth. Me a poison. Truth. Who you talk to? Me not want that. My hair them too dry. Puss broke corner to that for me hair them, you know. Boy can't have me right here so smelling so good like lovely roses and violets and looking like Christina Aguilera / Halle Berry, and you go over this guy cheat on with area 51. I want flicking in your chest, dirty boy. Dirty boy, I want vomit for you. I just you sick me too much, man. Me just want hey. I can't burn my weed. Remember to buy my lipstick then. I still want to fight.
Such a compliment.
Good night.